Good old South African patriot here. For this video, I want to delve into why the homelands or traditional homelands of Black South Africans are so unproductive when it comes to farming. As a South African, you should know South Africa has got vast areas of trust lands or homelands, parts being in KZN, the Eastern Cape, Limpopo, and then sections of Northwest as well. So also known as communal lands. So if you go have a look at these lands, you'll see that they are in the better part of South Africa when it comes to soil conditions and when it comes to rain. You all should know this. There's quite a few reasons why these homelands or farmlands are extremely unproductive. Now, if you look at the soil conditions and the rain, you should think to yourself, well, where are the tree orchards? You know, citrus or peaches or plums or pears or apples. Why do they not have massive farms with, let's say, dairy? Or massive farms where cattle are grown, or even massive sugarcane farms. You should ask yourself that question: why is it that the former homelands and current homelands of Black South Africans are extremely unproductive? And it's very simple. The answer lies almost in one sentence, is that these areas do not have title deeds. They do not have title deeds. So if you live in the cities and you don't farm, this is how a title deed impacts your farming enterprise. So what will typically happen is you will go and you will take out a production loan on your farm, and whatever you want to plant, you use that money then to plant that specific, whether it is trees, or a seasonal crop, or buying cattle or sheep or goats for that matter. So this is where a lot of black people are stuck because they cannot access capital to actually properly farm. Now, if you're going to have a look at why they've got no title deeds, you have to ask yourself, who is the custodians of these homelands? And why are they not allowing their people to have title deeds in order for them to gain access to the capital market, in order for them to put up pivots, to put up irrigation, to put up fencing, and to have proper commercial farming enterprises? That is the real question. If we look at South Africa currently, we also know that the government has got thousands and thousands of commercial farms that they bought for so-called redressing of the past. Yet you don't see them giving away the title deeds. So it's very clear that the idea of black people owning land is a lie and a myth that's been told to black people from the government side. Yes, we know everybody wants the land, but a land without a title deed means diddly do squat. And the proof is in the homelands. Yes, they might have land, but they don't have commercial farming enterprises happening in those homelands. The commercial farming enterprises within those homelands and on the borders are mostly white people, and parts of KZN, Indian people as well that do farm. But those are people with title deeds. So there's a bit of a food for thought. Everybody says they want the land. I would rather say I want a title deed. Rather have a title deed of 3 hectares than I have no title deed for 3,000 hectares. Just makes sense, eh? So that's one of the reasons why black people are struggling to turn farming into commercial farming enterprises or businesses is because their own people do not allow for them to actually own land. Please like, share, and subscribe, and God bless.